Good morning mga kabutchi! Welcome to our channel. So today mga kabutchi, we are going to put some fertilizer from our plants. So last year, I am using this one mga kabutchi, and look at the result of my plants mga kabutchi. It actually developed mga kabutchi. So it's because of our organic materials here mga kabutchi. So we don't have those type of soils that they were we were only using garden soil and coconut husk mga kabutchi. So it is really a good idea to put in some fertilizers to our plants mga kabutchi. So today, again, last time, I think June last year mga kabutchi, we put in some fertilizer mga kabutchi. And then, this is good for 6 months. So right now mga kabutchi, we will try to put another mga kabutchi because it's February already, so it's 11 months. So since this is only good for 6 months mga kabutchi, it's a good time now to again add some fertilizers to our plants mga kabutchi. So let's start our activity. So mga kabutchi, first things first mga kabutchi, we will start with here mga kabutchi. So we planted this last month mga kabutchi. So we will try to put here the mga kabutchi fertilizer. So small lang siya mga kabutchi because we're also going to put on the other side mga kabutchi. So ingon-ani lang siya ang atong activity. Small because we are going to scatter it. Sa kilid lang siya mga kabutchi. So when it rains mga kabutchi, we are hoping that the nutrients mga kabutchi will spread all over mga kabutchi. So ano lang siya. Only small amount. Okay. So other side. Other angle mga kabutchi. Diba? Other angle. Okay. So we'll put in also in this area mga kabutchi. So ato lang ibalik no. So okay. So that's it mga kabutchi. Ato lang i-cover because the chicken may find them delicious mga kabutchi. What if lang ba? What if? So this is already the mother plant mga kabutchi na may extra plant diri. Unsa ka ni? No? Saka ni mga kabutchi. I wonder why. Ay, mura man siya salwag mga kabutchi. Look at this ko ano. Mura siya nuts. Yun ay nagdag salwag lang gam. We will not long beat that one mga kabutchi. So we will try to put in a little bit in this area mga kabutchi. So the roots are everywhere na gid mga kabutchi. And then we will cover again. And then we put here on the other side mga kabutchi. Dire. Just a small amount mga kabutchi kay okay. And then we'll cover mga kabutchi. And then another angle here. Good baka siya nga angle butang ano. Just a small mga kabutchi. So, ano lang siya. And then, here, so we will do this to all of our philodendron plants, mga kabuchi. No? We will do this in all of our philodendron plants, mga kabuchi. Pero sa side lang siya na area. Okay. There you go. And then we will cover. Ay! Okay. And then we will cover back. Put in the kuan, mga kabuchi. Put in the organic matter. So this is the last but not the least, mga kabuchi, no? I damaged this one last week, mga kabuchi, when we tried to transplant the baby plant here. So I hope bawi ta, mga kabuchi, bawi. So put in there. And then another one here, mga kabuchi. So without this, mga kabuchi, our plants won't have any nutrients, mga kabuchi, because we don't have that soil, special soil na good for plants, like unsa na siya, vermicast, or unsa pa na siya din ha, mga kabuchi. We don't have man like that, so we will using this one. So we're done with our philodendron serratum, mga kabuchi, and we will do this activity to the rest of our plants, mga kabuchi, spread all over the garden. But for the giant plants, mga kabuchi, I am not putting this one na, mga kabuchi, because I am afraid that these giants will grow more, mga kabuchi, and it might be difficult, mga kabuchi, to have giant plants. They're giants already, so I think they're getting enough nutrients na, mga kabuchi. So we will not apply this organic fertilizer na, mga kabuchi. So we will continue our activity, mga kabuchi, but we will not be recording the video anymore because it will take time and it will be difficult for me, mga kabuchi, to do the video while doing this activity. Hala! Hala! Ang itik! So, this is the end of our video, mga kabuchi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!